Alright folks, we are here proudly at the Riverboat Cruise. Sadly, this will be my last time ever riding the Riverboat Cruise. It may be one of the last times you see the Riverboat Cruise, but I'm going to take you on a tour, take you on the Riverboat Cruise, and show you what we can show you in this short amount of time before it gets tarred over for cars. So let's see if you enjoy it. Alright, here we go. We're Rivers of America, Liberty Belle. We're about to board one last time. Haunted mansion over there. Super long line as usual. This old ship. I think this is my first time boarding, so my first will be the last. Here we go. Sure, whatever you want. Seems that way. Oh. Seems that way. Right here. Right here, got it. Woo! Let's just cross over. And away we go. I do too. Sitting is all taken. Yeah, there you go. Sit right next to you. Huh? Nice. This is a nice place to watch the parade too. Alright. Liberty Belle. On the Rivers of America is the river. It's good and windy up here too. Alright. I'm tired. Alright, we had about a half a day here. Actually, we had a pretty full day. We got here we left at 7 a.m. So, alright, we are on the last trip on Liberty Belle we will ever be. The last trip on Rivers of America. We can hear the train in the background. That's probably going to be the next thing that's going to be cut by Disney. What I've just learned is that these are actually, I always thought these were sort of pretend or instrumental. No, ornamental, that's the word I'm looking for. Ornamental. So these aren't ornamental. You can see right there that this is actually the system that propels the boat. And so here's the coming on the stairs, 3 levels here. And then if you come around here, there's Tom Sawyer Island. If you come around here, what we just saw. See this guy First off, you smell oil, a lot of oil. You can see all of the little oil bases as you look down the engine. But boy, you can feel the heat. You can really feel the heat. This thing is hot. Alright, so we get an update here on Big Thunder. You see some staging in the back there, and you see some staging right here. Not a whole lot more. This train's been moving all day. I haven't seen it actually lift anything, but not a whole lot done. We're not seeing anybody out here at all working. No construction at all today. Obviously being a Saturday. But not a whole ton. You see tons of ladders here. You see some staging, more staging. But you see the supports out of the tunnel here now. I think that there were supports all the way through that tunnel that have been taken out. It's really hot today, by the way. And here's the backside of Thunder Mountain. I don't know what that... Oh, that's the... sure I do. That's the railroad. Let's see if there's anything up on the back side of Big Thunder, or anything that crane is actually doing. Back side of Big Thunder. That's about it. I'm not really sure what this is. I feel like this is more of a traditional engine. Hard to tell. But it's clearly working. It says it's a furnace. And it's definitely doing something because it is hard to tell. Let us know whether it's safe to travel. Sam, here's the bracket. Which can do, Sean? He can navigate the Liberty Belle on a heavy load. Isn't that so, Sam? Well, I was born humble, but mostly it's worn off. Here's some villages. All villages. Looks like they're cooking something there. There's the tree behind. And a Native American reservation over here. Interesting. So when this was built in the early 1900s. There's still the quarter. obviously the castle in that direction. Well, you really get turned around. That can't be the castle. Yeah, it is.
And for us, that means safe water. From all the commotion, it sounds like their interests lie elsewhere.
This is the.
There's a lot less frontier and a lot more civilization than is truly necessary. Please, give me a death breathe. Sing out.
Oh, yeah.
Stop by the shops and go.
Yeah. Nice Epcot ride, nice monorail ride. I mean, I wouldn't mind some real food. Like, we've had not eaten real food. Hey, tiene que hacer. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. All right. That is it, folks. Huh? Yeah, okay. That's it, folks. That's all, folks. That's it.
He's here. There he is.
I know, it's amazing. What is it, 1 o'clock right now? 1:30?
120.
Yeah.
We literally hit everything.
I don't know how that happened. I honestly thought nothing today. I thought we were going to go right to Epcot.
I know that can do it.
Huh? I didn't. I mean, I usually do, but I didn't this time. Why are those people all waiting right there? Oh, that's... Oh my God. Is that Haunted Mansion? Wait, what is that? What is that line for? I have no idea. I think it's Haunted Mansion. I think that's a switchback for Haunted Mansion.
I've never seen it go down there.
I have.
I've seen it all the way down.
I've seen it down there before, but I heard that were making switchbacks down here now. Since they're getting rid of this anyway. Yeah, it's hot out. Get ready. The cruise is going to be way hotter than this. This is cold. Huh? You've had enough of the Magic Kingdom for the day?
We're coming back.
Yeah, we're coming back later.
Do you want to do Caribbean?
It's actually been on my list for a while.
Oh, sorry about that. I'm looking straight at it and did it anyway.
I didn't know I needed to do DMV.
Yeah, you mean after fireworks? Yeah, sure. That's the best, absolute best time. That's a walk on. Anything's a walk on after.